Mr. Sunny has got a whole host of awesome DIY ideas. In particular, things you can do with old tools. Why do you suppose he's cutting this old saw? That line marked to make it the ideal size once sharpened to help cut insulation. A great new lease on life for that old saw. Well, how about that edge? The leftover blade. You can use that connected to the end of the work surface with some double-sided tape, or even you could drill a couple of holes through either end and secure it with a couple of bolts to cut tape, sandpaper sheets, whatever you need. And how is this for ingenious? Sometimes when working your drill press, you've got to drill down through metal. And there's of course the danger of that friction causing some overheating, metal particulate flying around. Not a problem if you improvise and pull off a DIY like this. Just a couple of bolts and a small section of pipe, and suddenly there is a dispensing brush for all the oil you could need. Simply stir up a few drops and allow it to run through the hollow cap behind the brush and just watch it work. Nothing flying away, nothing overheating. That is a helpful hint. And how about this? Turning an old box of thicker cardboard into a useful work surface. You'll need to use a utility knife to make that first cut, and then using the angle grinder and your vacuum, you can make a functioning chop saw or table saw. Now, of course, be cautious. It's cardboard, a little flimsy. But in temporary situations, like maybe needing to cut a few tiles to repair something in the bathroom, just make sure you follow the line that you carved in the first place. And don't let it hang over the edge of the box. Last amazing tip, something you can do with an old roller or a new one if you've got one around. Wrap some tape around it, sticky side out, and you can remove all that pilling from sweaters, blankets, and more. Just look at all that dust and hair it pulled up. Thanks, Mr. Sunny.